Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add or link your e-wallet onto the Spendee budget planning application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Spendee application on your device and then enter your passcode or use your email address and your password to log into your account. Once you are logged in, you will end up within the timeline page. From here, go ahead and tap on Wallets. And now you have various different options. You can tap on Add an e-wallet in order to add your e-wallet onto your account. This will now ask you to choose from the list of various different e-wallets that are supported. You can tap on the search box and type in the name of your wallet, and then you can simply click on it to proceed forward. You will then be prompted for a premium subscription for Spendee. You can tap on See All Plans to see all of the plans that are available, and you may choose the appropriate option that you would like to subscribe to. You can also tap on Start Now for free to get a free trial for 7 days. You will need to provide your payment information in order to proceed forward with this. Once you have a premium subscription, you can simply enter the credentials of your e-wallet account and it will then be linked with the Spendee application. After this, all of the transactions that you make through your e-wallet will automatically be updated within your timeline. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to link your e-wallet onto the Spendee budget planning application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.